What does that bring up for Peter?
I'm sorry, man.
Wow. You have done this to me again and again. Peter, I can't live like this. I break up with you. I break up with you.